Don't ever try to say that I said that Russia was some innocent or something like that. My issue is that if you're gonna have a problem with the Russian occupation, say that it's an occupation. But they can't say that because the the people brought there's too many supporters of the, you know what I'm saying, those there's too many Russophiles, and there's too many people who identify with Russian in those parts of, that they're trying to say is occupied, so they won't say it. So they turn fucking face it around and tell us aggression. Like they're all, have you noticed they all have to say it? NPR, ABC, like all the little news satellite agencies, they all have to say Russian aggression, and they can never fucking elaborate on that whatsoever. Fuck, this is for that. This is for them, because they're trying to play me. If something goes down and hundreds of million people die or something shit, then fucking it's not on my hands. What, you got a problem? You got a problem or something? Like, then fucking tell me. Then be fucking, don't be vague, or don't be the news media, the press. What? Don't be the fucking press. You're not. You're. I hate that shit. I hate that shit. And they try to fucking turn around. If you got a fucking narrative stuffed in your mouth and made you swallow it, and you're gonna try to turn around and make everybody else swallow it. Fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you. You like that? You niggas is bitch.